Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI X, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, all you want to do is open up Settings, and from Settings scroll down to Storage, where you should find your SD card. Simply tap on it, it will open up the storage itself, from where you can tap on 3 dots and go to Storage Settings, and in here we have the desired option, Format. Tap on it. This will bring up the window, so format this SD card. This SD card needs to be, well, that is completely irrelevant. It tells us that it needs to be formatted, but that's not the case. But the more important part is right here. Formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So basically whatever is on it will be completely removed, and if there's anything that you would like to keep, maybe photos, videos, anything like that, well then make a backup copy of it. And then you can proceed with formatting it. But assuming you have already backed it up or you simply don't want to, tap on Format SD card. This will immediately begin the process, and it only takes a couple of seconds. And it should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done and you're completely finished. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.